Daily line production raw heads and deckering room. This chapter will be to define wastes at the deckering room, the first room. A sheet should be designed to record all wastes of the raw material during the first room. Besides, we will measure the capability and efficiency of the girls. Record the following on a daily basis until the trial finishes. 1 line start 2. Changing water, or product 3. Lunch 4. Stops, full partial 5. Shutdown 6. Line stop, last head. 7 line washing, end of day. Delivery QC waste report. Waste, defects waste, core and outer green leaves processing ratio. Average, waste checking report, hourly. Waste, defects 59% waste, core and outer green leaves 36% waste, fit for processing 41%. Overall waste report, average waste, defects 59% waste, core and outer green leaves 36% processing ratio. Raw heads waste traceability. Raw heads come into 3 forms: A. Normal defects, core and green leaves. B. Defects, worms, tip burns, etc. C. Good leaves fit to processing. The accounting system is concerned with 2 outlets: heads go in and 2 things get out, waste and final product. The difference between the raw heads and the finished product is assumed to be waste. This system doesn't monitor the 3 factors separately. So, we don't know what are the contents of the waste. Despite that, it may contains the 3 factors together, not just the first 2. In order to separate them and monitor the process hourly, we make useful of putting 2 checkpoints. 1. Quality checkpoint upon raw heads intake process. QC decors heads of about 6% of each delivery and gives us a precise calculation of the defects separately. 2. During processing, another checkpoint, as the waste coming out from the deckering room, another person takes a sample to assess the wastes and good leaves ratio. So, this procedure will define the refinement, waste and success exact ratio. Defect traceability. To trace defects at the primary stage, we assign 2 checkpoints before and during processing that are validating heads and deckering. The Q.C at the intake stage gives us a precise ratios about the 3 types of wastes: normal, defect waste and fit for processing waste. Second checkpoint is during processing and a sample is taken from the waste itself and the 3 waste types are recorded as well. The refinement ratio is how many heads in kilograms can produce 1 kilogram of the final product. This ratio will be measured accurately after we have isolated the waste into 3 categories. The old refine-net ratio was measured like this: refine-net ratio equals weight of the total processed raw heads, kilogram, / total final product, kilogram. Now it is measured as raw heads weight, processed, / final product plus waste, during processing, plus waste, during deckering, equals refinement ratio. Workers, time, material corrections. Here, we find the target capability for the workers, which they can do easily, per minute. This is how we can link worker abilities with time and material used. We compare these results with the actual readings and calculate the difference. By searching for the causes, we can improve our capability. Our recent readings for the girls' ability as an average is 9 heads per minute during the summer times, in all the raw material cases, and 14 during the winter. Heads, number of used pallets. Total heads no. Total heads weight. Average heads no. /minute / worker overall heads no. Average head weight. Time, actual working time. Overall waste time. Overall stops time. Projected heads no. Projected heads weight. Projected worker no. Projected working time. Maximum capacity kilogram. Workers efficiency -- hour kilogram person /h. Expected capacity kg/h workers efficiency day kg/person productivity % actual working hours % mishandling % success ratio % hour kg/person /h. Expected capacity kg/h workers efficiency day kg/person productivity % actual working hours % mishandling % success ratio % refinement ratio kg waste product kg. Overall process evaluation % waste, fit to processing kg. Capability improvement. After collecting these data on a daily basis, we can put our improvement measures day by day.